Carthage, Texas. On a Terry Williams bull, Red Wolf. Here's Leslie Doyle. This should be a good one.
Well, you know, this is a rank bull, but he's a rideable rank bull. Leslie Doyle, come on, he blows the gate man down. Here we go. Come on, Leslie. Come on, Leslie, pump it. He got it. He got it. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Baby.
And a back flip to boot.
I mean, this bull, look at him. I mean, he's after everybody. He'll run over you. Leslie Doyle, there's not a big grin there. He was fired up, and he intended to ride that bull. Talk to the judges. 90-something.
Got him standing on their feet. He needs 90 points to take the lead, Donnie.
Look at Rose. I mean, everybody loves Leslie Doyle, and there's reasons for that. He's the same when he's winning or when he's underneath one.
94 points for Leslie Doyle. Total of 180.
All right. Watch this. Blows his feet out of him, so he just got to hang on. Oh, yeah, I can see the bullpen strap underneath that left leg. Yeah, he's ready to go. He says, I don't care what happens, I'm trying. Oh, double back flip to the bank, baby. Oh.
No cheating. It's standing right there.
What a good job. I mean, they're still on their feet here. This is absolutely outstanding.
You want to see a $1 million smile? He's with Pam Minute.
Leslie, I don't know who is more excited, you or Tough and all the other bull riders talking about the ride on Red Wolf.
I tell you, Pam, I've been dreaming about that bull a long time. I don't know, everybody, when you draw a bull like that, you're a pretty decent bull rider. Everybody just wants to see a good bull ride. Everything works good.
Good for you.